Welcome to Wall Street Syndicate, where we don't chase stocks, we find them. Every day, we uncover high conviction buying opportunities, breakout setups, and hidden gems before the crowd even catches on. Yeah, if you're ready to stay one step ahead of the market, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And now, let's find what we got for you today. And it's right here. It is TransAlta Corporation. The ticker symbol is TAC. And if you guys don't know, once this stock's consolidation period ends, this is where it's going to break out. I'm going to show you all the target that I'm looking for this particular stock to break out at. I'm going to show you a couple of things off of this chart that kind of insinuates that the market is bullish and that it is trending higher. Let's go. So we're looking at the market right now in TransAlta on the 3-day chart, because I really can see the strength here on the 3-day time frame. And first thing I usually try to come through and try to see if this market is making higher lows. And as you guys can tell, that this market definitely is making higher lows. We like to see that because it gives us an idea of the mindset of this particular market. Majority of the people here, they're buying the stock because every opportunity that the market dips, they come in and support it, and it continues to lift higher as like a ladder or steps. Now, this area right here is the problem though. This is this consolidation that this market currently is traded on for TransAlta. You guys can see it's kind of consolidating like this. Okay, it has been doing that ever since the beginning of this year. So we have 7 months that this market has just been trading. Whole lot of trading, price action. This market is just building up enough pressure so that we can finally see that to where the market can give us a breakout. Now, you can see that this area right here is resistance, meaning there's people up here that every time the market runs up here, they begin to sell off. They begin to sell, restricts the market from going up higher than where these people are selling. Okay, so this is the problem. This is that consolidation. This is that resistance. This is that problem child that is keeping the buyers at bay. We need to see price break this. Okay, and once it does, we're going to try to target this gap right here that is forming in TransAlta. So we're going to make this into a gap. Okay. I'm going to try to target that area. Now, as you can see what I just did, if we were to create the trend, we are creating an ascending triangle, right? Just like that. Okay. This is what you want to see for a stock that is showing signals that it wants to break out. We are in the beginning stages. We're looking for the market to actually give us that breakout. It hasn't done it yet. Okay, so we can still see the market in TransAlta come down. And if that happens, then again, that's something that we need to cut. But I don't see that right now. So we're going to anticipate, and we're going to keep this on the 3-day chart. But when you look at this on multiple time frames, like this 4-day time frame, that bar right there, we should have seen the market in TransAlta go a lot lower in price. If the sellers were really moving this price and dragging it down, we would not see the next bar close higher. But we did. So that's a huge clue to us, letting us know that this market isn't that bearish. It's not that weak. So in fact, we can go ahead and make that into a buy pocket, because we know that there's buyers there. Okay. Same thing in this situation on this 4-day bar. If the market truly was weak, the close would not be up here towards the high. It would be down here at the bottom if sellers were really controlling the price. Same thing on the 20 hours and 8 minutes. The prior 5-day bar, it went down, but the next one is coming right back up. It kind of resembles what happened right here, does it not? Yeah. So definitely someone is convicted that this stock is bullish and that they're aiming for higher prices, which is why we want to come in and participate on this prediction. So like I said, we're going to do this on a 3-day chart, and we're going to add this price prediction here. Okay. We're going to put our stop right below these buyers, because these buyers aren't here anymore. We definitely want to participate in the move to the upside on our prediction. We're going to target the high of this first sell pocket, which is like 1530, 8.5%. Second target is going to be 16 bucks, 13.54. Ultimately, at the high of the gap, 24% run, $17.46. Now, it could take a while, which is why we're producing these videos on the longer time frame to allow the market opportunity to give us what we're expecting, or it can happen relatively quick, but we'll see. But this is what I'm seeing right now. Like I said, let me put this for, we're looking at this on the 3-day time frame. So when I do come back and do an update, we understand what time frame that we were looking at this market. There we go. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different.